The first thing that interested me was the 16 months for the program. Most programs for bachelor's degrees, you have to go back to school for 4 or maybe even 3 years.
The speed was a huge factor for me. I didn't want to be out of work for too long.
That's one of the main aspects of why I chose Utica, because it's way more hands-on. Like, I know my professors. Like, every professor knows my name.
The biggest thing is that I felt like that they wanted me here. I didn't feel like that I couldn't contact or talk to any of my professors here. And I think that that's one of the things that may separate Utica from the other schools.
All the resources are there so that you can succeed, so it's really just about personal desire.
We're getting a very good education to feel confident as nurses once we finish.
You're going to be done sooner, you're going to learn more, and you're going to be better prepared for, the future.
In 16 months, I'm going to be a nurse. Like, it's pretty amazing.
I'm proud to say I'm a Utica graduate.
I'm really proud of myself.